objecting to what are seen as outsiders invading our territory, so to speak.
You've announced you're stepping down from your daily show in April. I think you're still going to do Friday, right?
Yep, still going to do Fridays. You know how much I admired Dan Shore.
Yeah.
And I always felt that I think I'd like to stick around as long as Dan Shore did. But then I realized that that's a tough task.
I'm very glad your voice will be here over the next few months, in particular.
Thank you very much, Scott. Just make sure your voice stays with us for a much longer time.
Kojo Namdi, host of WAMU's Kojo Namdi Show. Thanks so much.
You're welcome, Scott. Thank you.
Catherine Seligman's new novel makes alive and visible the lives of people we often walk past, sometimes as quickly as we can. Maddie Donaldo is 20 years old and sleeps in hidden spots inside San Francisco's Golden Gate Park with her small dog, Root, sometimes eating and showering in a shelter before returning to forage for food and loose change on the street. One morning, Root finds the body of a young boy, bloody and taking his last breath, and a man standing over him who growls at Maddie, "I know where to find your ass." The story of Maddie and her circle of friends and the identity of the slain young boy she discovers is at the heart of Catherine Seligman's first novel, At the Edge of the Hate. Catherine Seligman has been a writer at San Francisco Chronicle magazine, joins us from that city. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
It was your reporting that put this idea and these characters in your mind and heart?
Well, I had lived in San Francisco, in Haight-Ashbury in particular, for more than 25 years, and I had written about issues related to homelessness, and it was actually something I saw one night driving through Golden Gate Park that was the seed for this novel.
What did you see?
We were driving home, it was dark, and a man threw himself in front of our car and pleaded with us to stop. And he said someone was trying to kill him. We did stop and call the police, and by the time they came and shone a light into the nearby grass, we could see the body of a young man lying there.
How long ago was that?
That was about 10 years ago, and I could not get that scene out of my mind, and I did do research and talk to people, and ultimately came to believe that the issues I wanted to write about would fit with fiction.
We'll note that Maddie is estranged from her family. Do I call it birth family? But she does share her life with a circle of friends. Ash, Hope, Fleet, and not to mention Root.
Yes, she finds this dog on Haight Street, and he really provides her company and security, as does this group of kids who she lives with, who become a sort of family to her.
I mean, one of the many windows your novel opens is you can help a reader understand the rules by which someone who is unhoused has to live just to get by.
Right. I think one of the things that really got to me in the years I've been here, and particularly in talking to